In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Iriun Webcam to OBS Studio full tutorial. By the end, you'll have your phone working as a high-quality webcam inside OBS, ready for streaming, recording, and video calls. First, download and install the Iriun Webcam app on both your computer and your phone. On desktop, grab the installer from the official Iriun website for your operating system, then run it and follow the prompts. On your phone, install the Iriun app from your device's app store. When opening the mobile app for the first time, grant camera and microphone permissions so the video feed can be shared properly. Next, launch the Iriun app on both your phone and your computer. Keep the phone app open so it can broadcast the camera feed, and if your computer asks for firewall permission, allow it so the connection can be established. You should see the Iriun desktop app waiting for a device to connect. For the most stable performance and lowest delay, connect your phone to the computer with a USB cable. If you prefer wireless, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. A 5 GHz connection usually gives smoother video than 2.4 GHz. To avoid interruptions, keep your phone plugged into power and prevent the screen from auto-locking while you're using it. Now open OBS Studio. If you're new to OBS, think of a scene as your layout and sources as the individual elements inside it. We're about to add your phone camera as a new source. In the Sources dock, click the plus icon and choose Video Capture Device. This tells OBS you want to add a camera-like input. Give the source a clear name like Iriun Webcam so you can find it later and click OK. In the Properties window, open the device dropdown and select Iriun Webcam. If you don't see it, confirm the Iriun apps are open on both devices, the cable is connected, or both are on the same Wi-Fi, and then try reopening OBS or the Iriun desktop app. On your phone, you can usually switch between front and rear cameras within the Iriun app. Finally, set the resolution to match what your phone can handle smoothly. If you want sharper video, choose 1920x1080. For lighter CPU use, 1280x720 is a solid choice. Match the frame rate to your needs. 30 FPS is reliable for most setups. When you're happy, click OK. Back on the canvas, resize and position the video by dragging the red handles. That's it. You've connected Iriun to OBS. Do a quick test recording, and remember, for the best audio, use a dedicated microphone alongside your new phone webcam setup.